the Maglorie by BRM Homes. All brick, LP siding and Hardie. Open floor plan with a gas fireplace and formal dining room. Board and batten accents and wooden beams. Coffered ceilings. Open eat-in kitchen with a great walk-in pantry and pot filler. Enormous master suite features access to patio, double vanity, freestanding tub, glass/tile shower and giant walk-in closet. Real laundry room. Guest bedroom on the main. Second level boasts 3 generous-sized bedrooms, 2 full baths, and massive bonus room with wet bar. Huge covered porch plus additional patio. Foam insulated exterior walls and encapsulated crawlspace. Tons of attic storage space. Electrical ran for future pool and wiring ready for future electric fireplace in the bonus room. Extra concrete parking and underground utilities. Natural gas. Insulated garage doors in an overlay style. No restrictions. All this plus the quality craftsmanship of a BRM built home.